All right. So today's presentation is on exploring OpenShell. So what we're going through is what is OpenShell, the history of OpenShell, why use OpenShell, and how to download OpenShell. We have another section on how to use OpenShell. There's pricing and alternatives and a demo video. What is OpenShell? OpenShell is a free open source software designed to enhance and customize the Windows interface. Originally developed as Classic Shell, it offers users a way to restore familiar features from older versions of Windows. It is ideal for anyone seeking a more user-friendly experience or personalized Windows experience. Who benefits from OpenShell? Seniors who are more familiar with older versions of Windows and who find modern interfaces confusing. Professionals who need a more efficient navigation and quick access to tools for better productivity. Casual users who prefer the familiar layout and straightforward functionality of earlier Windows versions. The history of OpenShell. OpenShell began as Classic Shell in 2009. Classic Shell gained popularity for restoring the classic Windows Start menu on newer Windows versions. Classic Shell was discontinued due to time constraints. A team of developers in the open source community revived it as OpenShell and ensured continuous updates and improvements. OpenShell is a community driven. It is maintained and improved on by volunteers like us who are passionate about enhancing the Windows experience. Contributions include bug fixes and updates, adding new features to keep it compatible with new Windows versions, and ensuring it remains free to use for all users. Why use OpenShell? Why you should use OpenShell? OpenShell provides a simple, customizable interface for Windows users who struggle with the modern Windows layout, prefer the classic start menu, want a faster, more efficient navigation experience. OpenShell is perfect for seniors, professionals, and classic users. How to download OpenShell. Visit the official OpenShell GitHub page. Locate the latest release version under the Releases section. Click OpenShell to download the installer wizard. Follow the instruction on the OpenShell installer that should pop up. And this is what it would look like for you. You would just have to click the very top asset, which says OpenShellShadow.exe. An important note, OpenShell is only available for Windows users. How to use OpenShell. After installation, search OpenShell menu in Settings. In the Start menu, number 2, you choose your styles. There are 3 types of styles, as you can see on the right. The Classic style, the Classic with 2 columns, and the Windows 7 style. Number 3, customize your menu. You can choose the menu color and skin, the button icon for your Start menu, and then once you're done, you can save your configuration. Pricing and alternatives. OpenShell is free. There is no subscription or upfront costs required, but there are optional donations to support developers. Some alternatives to OpenShells are Start 10, which are $6.99 USD, or for our Canadians, $9.50 Canadian. Retrobar, which is free, but it lacks any start menu features. And Classic Start Menu, which is free, but it has very limited updates. Here are the resources we used to create this presentation. Thank you for listening. If you would like to learn this lesson with a Cyber Seniors mentor, please go to www.cyberseniors.org or call 1-844-217-3057. To register for a one-on-one phone session, we also host weekly tech drop-in sessions from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern Time on Thursdays.